Have you ever seen this photo? We have witnessed this day today in our lives. Please watch the entire video to know the entire story. Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is not so good morning today because my phone is off.
But it will be a better afternoon and tell why.
Actually, this Apple is been popping up in my phone for the past 2 days. However, I am attaching the what wire
Charger,
and
charger.
yeah.
It's not working basically after the update, and there is no resolution to it. And fortunately or unfortunately, whatever you call it, we have to buy a new one because there's a lot of things happening on the mobile
I
that
cannot,
live without it.
yeah, because most of my, as in content recording and all, I need my
Correct,
phone,
correct.
my iPad, my MacBook. It's all
It's all connected.
connected
So we
to
need to
the.
buy one, and it's like
This
an
is not in
added
my
thing.
plan. I
Plans, yeah.
actually wanted to buy a camera because we wanted to improve our
Recording.
yeah, but
It's okay. It's all on God's will. That's what I believe in, and it's
and
okay.
even battery replacement we will try to ask, but I'm very sure we won't go for that option because
Of course,
it's
it's
going
again
to cost,
expensive as well,
yeah.
so might as well buy the new one. And later on, let's see how it
And
is.
I have tried for the past 3 days, literally, I have tried everything that I can do, but it there's no resolution to it. So
So
now
it's okay.
come along with us as we are going to buy a new phone.
Yeah, God's plan. So that is what we believe in, and let's go and get it and make her bad morning to a good afternoon. Let's go.
You took my iPad?
Yes.
Give me the keys. I'll have to go up.
Why?
अरे मम्मी का that पातोली I have to take. That डब्बा भूल गए.
So, guys, we have reached the mall. We are on our way. We always go to Reliance to buy all our gadgets, and we are heading there now. And I hope baby gets
Train
the
is coming.
choice. I hope baby gets the choice of her color that she's
I
looking for.
hope the color I want is
That
available.
only I
नहीं
spoke.
तो हो गया.
Chalo, let's go.
ट्रेन आया है.
Yeah. You wanna sit?
No.
You wanna sit?
हृदय बहुत बार बैठा है.
Both bar
remember
one.
it.
Both bar one. And we have reached Reliance Digital. And I know the moment we enter, it's going to be a loud noise of music, and that's going to be copyright. So, guys, we went to Reliance. Unfortunately, there's no stock of the Apple product that we want
Yesterday everything was
sold out because it
and
was
we were going
Independence.
to come yesterday, but
So, I'll tell you what happened yesterday. So, as you all know, I had a show, and it was an afternoon show, like 12 to 3. But I don't know what was the goof up between the event manager and the client, and eventually the function was then postponed to 3 to 6. So because of that, our schedule went for a toss.
and I couldn't go out of the house.
You're raining heavily.
No, also how will I book a cab? I didn't have a phone, and
हाँ, वो भी है, वो
if
भी
you
है.
know where we are staying, we need like we'll need to live on cabs. We can't just go out ऐसा.
Correct.
So,
Now we'll go to the
and
next.
I also did not want to buy something so क्या बोलते हैं expensive without him. Honestly.
मैं रहता तो मैं करता.
Me too.
Yeah. So now we'll go to the other Apple authorized showroom. We'll go and check out there as well. So baby is doing some documentation work. Blink properly.
सर दूसरा कौन सा प्रोमैक्स है
Huh? Pro Max.
प्रोमैक्स है
So guys, I have got my phone and
Or should I say, we have got our phones.
we'll tell you the story when we go out.
Yeah.
Just finishing the processing work and we'll tell you all everything.
And also, we're recording right now on my
Old
16 Max Pro. We're going to give it for exchange. So it was a good 1.5 year that it was with us. We recorded a lot of videos in it, but now unfortunately it's an upgrade, and we got a good deal. We'll tell you about it. Fortunately, it's an upgrade. We'll tell you about the scenario later on because right now we can't talk in front of everybody. But yeah, we've got our mobiles. Baby has kept us already.
I'm so scared. So here we are with both our phones. Honestly, this was not our plan,
Never.
but
Honestly, not for this year at least. But
so the thing was, when we went to the shop, we were seeing the phones, and then I don't know why it struck both of us that since he had iPhone
16
16
Pro
Pro Max,
Max.
and he's been using that for the past 2 years, and you know these phones we really need to upgrade it every year or whenever they release a new model, just so that you know, because I had gone, and especially after what I went through,
Correct.
I went for a software update, and that is when my phone was not restarting, and that led to the issue.
Issue.
So then we just thought that, you know, if at all, we just try asking that how much will, you know, we have the exchange policy and all
The
of that.
trade-in basically.
And we got a
Good deal, really good deal, which I was not expecting.
Even I was
I
not,
was like,
and
oh
that is
wow, I
when
didn't
we
know
were
that.
like, we can do it, and let's just do it
Do
because
it.
we didn't want to spoil the further upcoming you know, days. Like we didn't want ki, okay, then we didn't want to give this phone the time to actually run into some issue,
Correct,
and then
correct,
we
yeah.
are buying, and that was like our main phone.
Phone,
Most of our
correct.
content recording was through that phone. So then yeah, we upgraded
We
that as
upgraded to it,
well,
yes.
and that is how we got both the phones. And y'all saw me in the morning, and he was seeing me for the past 2 3
My hands
days.
are paining holding like this. So I'm just
Yeah, yeah.
bringing it down here now.
So for the I learned
Yeah, please.
for the past 2 3 days, I was really, really
Struggling, and it was also getting chaotic at home as well. And of course, when you don't have your own mobile, you get irritated, and when it's not working, then it creates a lot of chaos, and that was what was happening with the baby. And then it was like, yeah,
and
we
we
have,
went in to buy one, but yeah,
by God's grace.
yeah.
Of course, it was an exchange, so I gave away my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it was a bit sad because, of course, 2 years I used it and I used it really well, and it was in a good condition as well. I always keep these
It was in
mobiles.
a good condition. That's
Yeah,
why we got a
very
pretty
good
good.
deal. I mean,
Yeah,
not pretty. I mean, very good deal.
we didn't
And
expect
yeah,
that.
and we couldn't resist not going forward. And yeah, let's see now. Of course, I'm not using the mobile at the moment. I'm going to record few videos on it soon, and once that is done, you guys will automatically know what the scenario is. So again, God has better plans for you, so just
Always trust
yeah,
in him.
yeah.
And you know, that is why that photo, like I'll put it here again, this photo, like literally we witnessed it today.
Yes.
And it's like his plans are always the best
Best,
and
correct. Correct,
at
correct.
the right
And
time.
go forward for it. As I said earlier as well. Don't listen to what people are saying. God knows what He's giving you. He knows what He's having. He knows exactly what He wants you to have and not have. So just follow Him blindly and just go through it. Just go through everything, taking His name, and just get those things done. Simple, simple.
Yes. So guys, now we are at our mummy's place, at my mummy's place, not his, because it is my sister's birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Everyone over here.
Happy birthday.
It's raining heavily.
हो गया Finally, I got somebody who's going to come in the family.
Switched on the dual, no?
No.
करना new phone है. Pause. So now, where were we?
You wanted to try your dual.
Yeah, we are trying this for
camera,
the first
you
time. I am probably just too excited seeing everyone all around me. But yeah, I've got something for mummy, so I'll go and get that now.
So what are you giving? Let's find out. Oh, she already knew. Oh, she already saw.
If you guys haven't watched the video, it's right here. Please go and check it out.
Sure. But taste it, everybody. It's really good. गरम हो गया ये हृदय तो अलग दुनिया में. What are you doing, darling? Oh, what is the challenge? Wow, very good, very nice. Good, good. हाँ, be careful. हाँ, फू कर. मैंने बनाया. मैंने बनाया. मैंने बनाया. Oh, what did you do? What did you do? No, the daddy's tasting. Daddy's tasting. हाँ. मस्त था. ये मोदक की ऐसे चपटी है बस और कुछ नहीं. मैं तो वही बोला. So just come. Please taste and tell us how is it. How is it, Preeti? So Jesh. Okay. Anu, did you like it? How's it? Nice, is it?
So now we've come for birthday dinner. We've come to Sigri ना.
Yes.
हाँ इथे मेनलँड
Sigri.
चायना आहे आणि त्याच्यावरती सिगरी आहे.
Belongs to them only, no?
Yes.
Guys,
Someone is eating what? Guess what? Show.
broccoli.
How is it?
I'm waiting for chicken lollipop. Baby, fruits मिलता नहीं क्या घर पे? You're having fruits here, the buffet. कुछ तो बोल.
I need something to eat at the table. My portion for today is done. So
You had nothing.
whatever I ate, it's done.
Birthday, dear Preeti. Happy birthday to you.
पोट भरून खाल्ल्यानंतर असा सीन आहे. मम्मी, हाऊ वाज द फूड? गुड. पप्पा कसं होतं जेवण?
Very good.
Okay, for the ones who know me, I don't like vegetables, and I tasted broccoli and it was too good. I ordered
Good.
for more, Just when I'm talking about broccoli, baby, make sure you put that.
Photo.
Yeah, or not the video of broccoli. Oh,
Yes.
it was too good.
ऍक्च्युली त्याला वाटलं मम्मी ते लॉलीपॉप आहे पहिला म्हणून त्यांनी खाल्लं.
Pineapple was also
also
yummy.
हा?
Very good.
Good. Nice food. This is how it looks. I'll show you all. Hey birthday girl, how was the food?
Very yummy.
Enjoyed?
A lot.
So both of them are my sisters. This is Preeti and this is Anu. Finally dinner done. It was good. The food was good. Enjoyed it, है ना? What was the best dish you had today? Zero to dabao.
Best dish I had today was the pineapple masala.
I like the mutton tikka bubbles. I didn't eat mutton. I mostly ate chicken and a lot of watermelon.
I liked the tawa prawns also very much.
Yeah. Good.
Even the broccoli was surprisingly tasty.
Yeah,
actually.
because it was so well presented.
Yeah.
Packaging matters.
Hriday is here. Hi, Hriday.
Hello, how did you do this horizontally in our video mode?
This is a new feature in my phone. Now I don't know what these people are filling. They have filled enough feedback forms.
I'm playing Sudoku.
My favorite. And what is Dada doing, Dada?
Sudoku. Dada. I'm playing Sudoku.
I also want to play.
Pronounce the word.
Vomit time.
Someone had a child. I'll go to mummy and tell. We have a lovely subscriber. Her name is Roella. He also happens to be our family friend. She had said that your mummy is very sweet and she likes the video when you are in the video.
Thank
so
you
you
so
want to
much.
tell her something?
Thank you so much for your love.
So this was how we enjoyed the day. We got phones for
Phones, yeah.
ourselves and then we enjoyed our sister's birthday dinner as well. So thank you so much for watching this video and do
Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to comment. And also,
because
please
we love
reading your comments. Yeah.
Like,
And please do share this video to your family and friends. Of course, if you like it, then only share. If you don't, it's okay. We understand. No forced.
Hard feelings.
Yeah, no forced things as well. But do share and
Subscribe to our
subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. So,
until then.
bye bye.